Hi guys, welcome to Ipsen's Pro. Welcome to another Shopify free section video where I'm gonna show you guys how you can add a Shopify divider section where you don't need to add any code, you don't need to add any app. You'll be able to add stylish looking wavy slider and a lot of different type of dividers on your Shopify store for free. And let me show you what are the features you will be getting in that. So that is an example of the divider, which is on my homepage of the Shopify in the latest Horizon theme, right? Now, if I go to customize settings for this divider, you can see we have these clouds, we have this zigzag mode, and we have these mountains, arc, triangle top, triangle bottom, and we can change the color from here, right? And we can flip it vertically or horizontally if we want to. We can change the divider height, and we can change or adjust the multiplier width. So these are all the features which you will be getting completely for free. All you have to do is just watch the complete video and make sure to subscribe the channel. If you are new to this channel, I have created a lot of free sections in Shopify. So if you go to my YouTube channel and click on this Shopify sliders, you will be getting a lot of Shopify sliders. And here I have Shopify color swatches tutorial. Here are some transparent header tutorials. And here is the favorite playlist which you will get is the Shopify sections, where I have created a ton of free sections just for you guys, just for the subscribers and even non-subscribers. You can get this completely for free. You can see we have animated theme page, we have a WhatsApp order button, we have a testimonial section, we have this how many people being on your product, we can add the pricing table, we have this breadcrumb section for prestige theme, we have animated circle products, double scrolling, stylish product grid. I mean, there are a ton of sections and they are completely for free. All you have to do is just watch my video, subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification, and watch those videos to get the free code and add into your store. Now get back to the current tutorial. So I'm going to add this on the latest version of Shopify Horizon theme and show you guys how you can do that. That is the article link, which you will find in the description. There you will find the code. All you have to do is just create a new section on your store and add this code. That's it. You don't have to mess with any code. You just need to click on this copy code button and then paste it on your store. Let me show you how you can do that. So first I'm going to go to the theme section of my store. So let's leave this page here. And we have an older version of Horizon theme. So let's update to the latest version so I can show you guys how it will work completely fine on the latest version as well. So let's install the latest version of Horizon theme, and it is going to work completely fine. The section is going to work completely fine on this saver, atelier, ritual, vessel, all of the Horizon based theme. It is going to work completely fine. Now let's click on add and install the fresh Horizon theme. And guys, if you are just started your business in Shopify and you want your Shopify store for just $1 a month, there's a link in the description. If you sign up through that link, you will get your store for just $1 a month. So make sure to sign up using that link. Also, guys, we have created an app just for you guys, which is called Big Bulk Discount. And this is an app through which you can add volume discount and increase the average order value of your store. Also, you'll be able to add a stylish looking section on your product page showing different type of volume discount. So make sure to try the app. Free trial is available. You can install this app if you think that it's not worth the value for the price which we are selling this for. Okay, guys. So let's see if we have our theme added, right? We have our Horizon theme being added. I'm going to click on publish and then click on publish again. Perfect. Our latest Horizon theme has been added. Now let's add this section. I'm going to click on these three small dots and then click on added code. And this is a latest code editor in Shopify. And if you want to learn how to use this Shopify code editor, I'll add the link of that video in the description. I have created a detailed video on how you can use this latest Shopify code editor. For now, I'm just going to add a section which we want to add in our store. So click on this arrow here and then click on plus sign. So this arrow, this small arrow here, and then this plus sign, which will add a new file, right? Now let's add a new file. I'm going to name it divider section. You can name this file whatever you want. Name is irrelevant here. Okay, so we have our new file created, divider section, and I'm going to go back to this article where you can see we have this updated code for theme section. Click on copy code and then paste the code. After pasting the code, hit save. Perfect, our code is saved. Now let's open the theme customizer. Click on this customize button from the theme. And here, if you now click on art section, you will see this advanced shape divider on the top. Now if I add that, I will have all of the features. So let's change the color, change the waves to zigzag, arc, reverse. Perfect. Changing the height. And if you think you know a little bit of CSS code, you can add the custom CSS code for adding advanced sliding on this divider section. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to add more features on this stylish looking divider section. Until next video, have a great day.